chiedo un grandissimo applauso per... Siete pronti? Arriva Aidan!
Hello, my friend. Is it the end? I don't recall the time you said goodbye. Hello, my friend. I'm feeling blue. I gave it all, you took me by surprise. What if the world's aligned again, right by the summer sky? My friend, I hope you know it's fun to love again. And if you're feeling cold tonight, I'll meet you here. Now don't be shy. Che bella, you know nothing is thin now. I'll keep holding on to you. After all of this time, it's you and only you. Forse tra sempre via all the nights that you dance with me, I see they're calling me. Che bella, 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 bella. After all this time, it is you. Ma che bella, 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 bella. What if the world's aligned again, right by the summer sky? My friend, I hope you know it's fun to love again. And if you're feeling cold tonight, I'll meet you here. Now don't be shy. Che bella, you know nothing is fair now. I'll keep holding on to you. After all of this time, it's you and only you. Miskin med en party, miskin med en wick. En rätt till battaglia, en jävla bandit. Och klyftig och ställs, ett konstigt ding att du vet. Che bella, how late in the stena. I'll keep holding on to you. After all of this time, it's you and only. Che bella.
E lui era Aidan!
Bravo!
Thank you so much for being here.
Aidan,
grazie.
your
Congratulations.
song is really bella, 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 bella. È bellissima la
Oh,
sua
there is a rose
canzone.
for you.
Yes, it's
Wow.
for the bella of the
Aidan,
night.
alla prima semifinale del San
eh.
Marino Song Contest. Come
The
here,
bella
come
of the
here,
serata.
E poi dicono che i gentleman non esistono più. Oh, the gentlemen still exist.
Yes,
Like
yes, yes.
you guys.
But only one for you, not for him.
Esatto.
That's
Sono
fair.
la rosa soltanto
That's
per me.
fair.
Per
Lui ha detto, traduco, lui ha detto giustamente la rosa è per te, non per me, io lo accetto assolutamente.
mi scusi.
Tra l'altro mentre stava cantando c'era tutto questo romanticismo dietro le quinte, almeno 8 matrimoni sono stati celebrati dietro le quinte, sono nate 4 coppie.
Because of you, people got married because of the song. Everybody was in love. I was in love, actually. Anch'io mi sono innamorata
Grazie.
dell'amore. I was in love of love.
Grazie, grazie molto, grazie.
How are you getting married? Getting ready? I have no voice.
I'm not getting married, I'm getting
No.
ready.
No, ha capito?
No, I
Non si
said
stai sposando? No,
ready.
non si sta sposando.
Yeah,
How are you getting ready
it's
for the
a
biggest
lot of
stage?
work. It's a lot of work.
Ti stai preparando per lo stato.
But I'm very, very happy that
Vai tu.
I'm representing my country, Malta, at this year's Eurovision with a song that the title is in Italian. Bella, ma che bella.
Esatto, è contento di rappresentare Malta con una canzone il cui titolo è in italiano poi,
Sì,
bella,
sì,
bella,
sì.
bella.
But now I'm very excited to head to
Adesso-
Vienna,
adesso
and
molto emozionato di
from here I
andare-
want to thank
vorrei ringraziare.
the Sammarinese Television for having me here.
E quindi è molto emozionato di
Grazie.
andare chiaramente all'Eurovision e
Fantastico.
vorrebbe ringraziare adesso tutto San
And
Marino
a huge thank you to the audience here as well.
e al pubblico chiaramente qua in sala.
And of course, a huge good luck
E-
to the person that will represent San Marino in Vienna.
E ovviamente buona fortuna a chi rappresenterà San Marino. Grazie, grazie. Thank you so
Ah,
much.
Thank you for having me.
Thank
Grazie.
you.
Grazie.
And good
Good
luck,
luck.
you deserve.
Thank
All
you.
the best.
Grazie.
E buona
Ciao
fortuna
ciao.
lo merita.
Fai tu
Ah.
perché ho tipo ingoiato che
No,
un
ma-
moscerino qualcosa, fai tu.
Senti, io sono
fai
preoccupata, sai perché?
Perché sto parlando con la rosa tipo microfono.
Va
Ragazzi,
tutto bene.